Welcome to Stream RV in Creedmoor, North Carolina. We've been serving RV owners since 2016, specializing in quality Class B and Class C motorhomes, along with full RV service and upgrades. We're located less than 30 minutes from RDU and just outside the Research Triangle, centrally positioned between the North Carolina coast and the Blue Ridge Mountains. This 2007 Lazy Daze is a very low-mileage Class C motorhome built on the Ford E450 chassis, and it stands out immediately for its exceptional cosmetic condition. Lazy Daze has a loyal following because these coaches were built differently from many traditional Class C motorhomes. They're known for aircraft-style aluminum construction, including aluminum siding and aluminum roof construction, which helps avoid the delamination issues commonly found on many fiberglass-sided coaches. Now let's step inside and take a closer look at the floor plan and features. Inside, this Lazy Daze has a bright, comfortable layout with the practical feel the brand is known for. The dinette gives you a dedicated place for meals, working, or relaxing, and the large windows help the coach feel open and easy to spend time in. This layout is very flexible, with two pull-out sofas that each sleep two people, plus a convertible dinette that sleeps two more. The kitchen is set up with the essentials, including an LP gas cooktop, microwave, two-way refrigerator, kitchen sink, and useful cabinet and drawer storage throughout the area. This coach is also equipped with a Bose stereo system, adding a premium audio touch to the interior for music, entertainment, or relaxing at the end of the day. Up front, the cab area is fitted with leather seats and a 6-way power driver seat. You'll also notice that this coach is equipped with an HWH automatic leveling system, which greatly eases setup at camp. In the rear of the coach, a cabinet door swings out to serve as a privacy partition when needed. You'll also find excellent storage for clothes and travel items, along with a full dry bath configuration. Thanks for watching. From your Stream RV team, we'll see you down the road.